please hit that like and subscribe button. As you can see, they've got a number of the trees along the way here with cones around them because the branches up on top of the palms are, the wind has been breaking them loose and they've been falling. They don't want anyone to get hurt. And then you'll see the red. That's actually the iron from the soil that has been washing into the ocean through the different spillways and that they have built in to this North Lahaina area. So that redness, you really, from what we understand, of course you don't want to swim in it. It contains all kinds of debris, chemicals, all kinds of stuff like that. And supposedly, since there's food, dead carcasses, whatever, that wash in with this, it's attractive to the sharks. So there's a higher probability of sharks in this. This is our second, I think they call them Kona lows, they call them storm in 2 weekends. So we've been sitting through the high wind, the waves, the constant rain. You can see it just coming down here. We do have flooding reported over by Kihei, Lahaina area again. And so they're telling everyone to be careful, be cautious. We're on the 3rd floor here, as you can kind of see. Across the way there, it's 8.4 miles, I guess, to Molokai, and you can't even see that today. It's supposed to rain most of today, again, with storms, thunder and lightning have been in the area. So I think there's going to be a lot of card playing and dice shaking today. I will be well rested when I get back from this vacation to start into some more projects around the rental properties and house. Take care, stay dry, and ride the storm out. Well, today's little video, we're out front of the Westin, I believe, and just look at the water. The boardwalk is completely covered. It was heavier, and we got cats. They kind of feed the cats along here. Duke's is right down the way. Don't know if we're gonna make it to Duke's or not today. I've got sandals on that can get wet, but my wife's got her shoes on, so not sure how that's gonna work. A lot of water, a lot of little flooding areas. So Sunday afternoon, we are at Kaanapali Shores. We're at Roy's Restaurant, part of the Kaanapali Golf Course here. And take a look at the weather. It has cleared. We saw a bunch of flooding from earlier yesterday down toward Duke's. Now we're getting ready to go in and eat at Roy's. A really good restaurant here in Maui. And yeah, finally, we're seeing a little sunshine and a little bit of nice weather. I totally feel sorry for the people that live here that were affected by the fire and are now affected by a 79 year plus flood and 2 Kona lows that came through here this past week. I can't imagine. I truly cannot imagine. So our hearts are with you. Take care. So after you don't escape, Cheryl, you don't escape. After a rainy start to the day, to the week, to the whole month being here, looks like we're gonna have a nice sunset from our lanai. We've got Cheryl and Miss crossing her fingers over here, Lucy for the sunset, and not crossing her fingers over here, Sue and Carmen. Looks like it's going to be a beautiful sunset tonight. So as we get ready for the sun to set, we've got some really neat spray going on over here. Carmen hanging over the railing.
Jumping over the railing?
Jumping over the railing.
Toasting
Cheryl's
the sunset.
got a beverage to the sunset.
First sunset.
And here's our sunset starting. The thing about Hawaii was when the sun goes down, it goes down quick. So we'll see that here. So it is about 6:30 at night. We have picked up a few more people. We've picked up Joan and Lori over here. And we got Sue and Carmen and Cheryl and Lucy. And we're about to watch the sunset. Right here is Molokai. The thing about the sunset in Hawaii, absolutely beautiful off of Arlanai. And it sets really quick. It just like it drops off the face of the earth. So I'm gonna let this run. I might speed it up a little bit down the road, but as usual, I will try to keep this to around 3 minutes. I try to keep all of my videos about 2-3 minutes so I don't take up too much of your time, but we had a good day today. I mean, I looked at the radar this morning and it looked like rain all day. We were able to get out and we walked down to Duke's. A lot of flooding down that way. And then we ate at Roy's tonight. So it's been a good day. Watching a beautiful sunset with good friends.
And Brian looks hot.
And
Brian looks hot.
okay, what can I say? What can I say? Me being always
Do a
modest
selfie.
and, you know, quiet. Just a quiet guy. And you're good. You're good. Stay right there. You're all good. So just watch how fast that sets. On the island, radiant island style, from the mountains to the ocean.
I know, I just like
One of my favorite songs. Along with Anything by Anthony Smoot or
yeah, because that'll help light.
John Cruz. Some of my favorite artists from the islands here. Just like that, pretty soon they'll blow the horn.
He's gonna blow the horn.
Yeah.
No, he won't blow the horn until it's you.
Right.
Yep. But
And all the people down below.
this never gets old. Just never gets old. And especially with the way the weather has been the last week here. All the rain, all the flooding, wind. A night of paradise here. Hit that like and subscribe button. Check out my more serious videos at Perrodin Project Specialist. Working home DIY projects, little firewood stuff, little outdoor stuff. It's just kind of, I can't call it the life of Brian because that would run into some copyright issues, I think, but just my life, my world. There's the horn signifying the end of another Hawaiian beautiful day. Still just a beautiful sunset. It's already down, but just a beautiful night here. About 71 degrees or so. I'm in shorts. Haven't worn shoes all week. I got sandals.
They changed the aircraft type.
So we are still here enjoying the sunset. We got Molokai off to your right, the island 8.4 miles away. Sunset tonight off of the Lanai is absolutely beautiful. Just the color and the clouds, just a beautiful evening. Thanks for watching. Check out my other videos. Appreciate it. I don't know if you can see clearly, but we've got a beautiful, beautiful red. The sunset has really just turned beautiful. All the times that I've been here, we have not had the definition, if you want to put it that way, between Molokai and then you go over to that red sunset and the clouds. One of the more beautiful sunsets we've had, and they're telling me that the moon is out here somewhere.
There.
Palm tree.
Palm tree.
Palm tree?
Yeah. Come this way, Brian.
Brian, come over here.
Over
All
here.
right.
Come here. Come here.
Lucy's had me walk over this way.
Walk this way.
Ah, yes.
There you go.
The moon right through the palm tree. Red by night, sailor's delight. It's going to be a beautiful day tomorrow. We're done with the Kona lows. Great. Hit that like and subscribe button. Check out the other videos at Perrodin, the project specialist.